Namaskaram and welcome to all the lovely ladies. Kanchipuram Varamahalakshmi Silks is an eminent house for exclusive hand-woven sarees. Started in the year 2012, now we have 17 stores all across South India. Be it the quality, the collection or the prices, we always provide the best of the best to our dear customers. So please make sure you're visiting your nearest CML store to have a look at the lovely collection of sarees just like the one that I will be showing in today's episode. So ladies, today's episode is going to be about lightweight pattu sarees, but before that let me show the beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing, and it's by the House of QC. They have two stores, one is in Inorbit Mall, another one is in the GVK 1 Mall. Now today's saree is Kanchi Pattu, but before that let me show you the one that I'm wearing right now, and this one is a lovely pink color, beautiful gorgeous traditional Kanchi Pattu saree. We have copper zari work all over the body. There are diamond buttis and we have square buttis, and inside that we have a lot of floral detailing. If you have a closer look, it looks very elegant, it looks very delicate too. And the border has cross lines with florals and leaves jal and small dollars in boxes. Here is our pallu, which has floral brocade work, and we have geometrical florals here along with florals and leaves jal in copper zari. And the sari has a beautiful self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Now I will be showing you our first saree from today's lightweight pattu sarees. Let's have a look at the first one. Here's a beautiful lime yellow color Kanchi pattu saree, a lightweight pattu saree, and let's have a look at its body. On the body we have these drop buttis in silver and copper zari, and inside that we have peacock detailing. Lovely beautiful work is there, very bright, lovely work. Here's the border, which has peacocks and florals in boxes along with dollars in boxes. There are diamonds and cross lines too. Let us now see the pallu. The pallu, which has copper zari work. We have circular floral buttis in zari boxes and a very gorgeous self blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, we provide global courier service. And here I have a very classic saree. This one is in wine color. Let me now show you the body. On the body we have these elegant, tiny, beautiful floral buttis in gold zari. This makes the saree look very classy. The border has leaf buttis, and inside that we have floral detailing, and here we have gold zari cross lines. The pallu also has leaf buttis with diamonds and cross lines in gold zari. Lovely work is there, very simple and elegant work. And this is the self blouse for your classic saree. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Ladies, cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. And this one is a very bright and beautiful yellow color saree to brighten up your day. Let's have a look at its body. On the body, we have zari boxes, and inside that we have florals. And this work is in gold and silver zari. Here's the border in blue color, which has gold zari kadi. And then we have a plain border, very elegant, very classic border. Let me show you the contrasting pallu in blue color, which has huge floral buttis in gold zari. And a very beautiful contrasting blouse in blue color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, you can also shop for our sarees by clicking on the links in the description box. These links will take you to our website, that is kanchivml.com, and there you can have a look at various collections and place your orders right away. Here I have a very feminine color, that is peach color, and let me show you the body of this one. Tiny beautiful gold zari floral buttis. There are two types of floral buttis. Here's the first one, and this one is the drop butti shape floral butti. The border in navy blue color has florals, and here we have yalis with paisleys and florals in boxes. Gold zari work looking gorgeous as usual. The pallu has yalis in boxes along with diamonds and temples, and here we have florals with cross lines, and all the work is in gorgeous gold zari. Let me now show you the contrasting blouse for this saree, and to place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear ladies, you can also shop on video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and our executives will give you a call at your time of convenience. Isn't that amazing? So what are you waiting for? Take your appointment right away. This one is a very beautiful blue with magenta saree, very classic and contemporary saree. Let me show you the body. So we have a plain body for this one to maintain the simplicity and elegance. While the border has very simple work, so we have triangular buttis in gold and silver zari. The border also has elegant work. We have small silver zari kadi and then we have gold zari kadi all over it. and a very gorgeous contrasting blouse in magenta color. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, the Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. Here I have a very unique color combination saree for all my loving customers. So this one is in a dual shade. We have peach with mustard all over the body, with small floral booties which are in gold zari. The work is extremely subtle, it's extremely beautiful too. The border in pink color has temples on the edge. There are small diamond booties and lines along with paisleys which have peacocks inside them, and then we have florals with peacocks too, and all this work is in gorgeous gold zari. Here is the contrasting pallu. The pallu has brocade work all over it in gold zari along with paisleys. And a very lovely contrasting blouse. To place an order, please take a screenshot and send it to 8900010002. Dear customers, we provide global courier service. Cash and delivery option is only available in Hyderabad. The Weavers prices are valid for a limited amount of time, so you need to hurry up and place your orders right away. You can also shop through our website, that is kanchivml.com, and you can also shop through video calling. All you have to do is take an appointment from Varamahalakshmi Silks, and then we will give you a video call at your time of convenience. The beautiful jewelry that I'm wearing is by the House of QC. They have two stores. One is in Inorbit Mall, another one is in GVK 1 Mall. Dear beautiful ladies, I hope you enjoyed today's episode, which was about lightweight pattu sarees. I love presenting these sarees to you. They are very easy to carry, very lightweight and extremely affordable too. We will be back tomorrow with another exciting episode. Until then, stay safe and keep shopping from Varamahalakshmi Silks. Namaskaram.